As every year, King Felipe, Queen Letizia, and their daughters, Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofía on one hand, and King Juan Carlos and Queen Sofia on the other, have followed the tradition of sending Christmas greetings. This year, Felipe, Letizia, and their daughters choose a photo of the four of them taken at the royal palace on June 19, the day King marked the 10th anniversary of Felipe's proclamation. The novelty, however, lies in the inclusion of a fragment of a poem by Valencian poet inside the card, as a tribute to the deceased, their families, and the over 800,000 people affected by the floods on October 29. King Juan Carlos and Queen Sofia, who continue to jointly sign and other institutional greetings as members of the royal family, have chosen a reproduction of the altarpiece of the main chapel of the Toledo Cathedral. On Monday, Zarzuela Palace made the official Christmas cards public, while King Juan Carlos, now residing in Abu Dhabi, began sending a personal greetings to his friends. The Christmas card signed by the King, Queen, Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofía opens with an unpublished photo of the four of them at the royal palace, taken after presiding over the solemn changing of the royal guard on June 19, 2024. This event kicked off the commemorative activities for the 10th anniversary of Felipe's proclamation. Upon opening the card, there is the excerpt from a poem by a Valencian poet paying homage to the deceased, their families, and the over 800,000 people affected by the floods of October 29, which translates in English as, "And I seek a face that reflects light, someone who, like me, having only death, also has, as I had, conquering it, life, a trace of happiness." On the right-hand side of the interior of the Christmas card, signed by King and Queen, the text reads, "Merry Christmas, and may we all face the new year with great confidence," accompanied by the signatures of all four. The exterior of the card features the image and motto chosen to commemorate the 10th anniversary: service, commitment, and duty, which is being used in all Royal House communications until June 19, 2025.